Hi, I'm Sam. If I was young again, and could start my investing journey all over, here are 5 things I'd do to live the good life in my 20s. Firstly, I'd stay living with my parents, until I built up some savings. According to livingcost.org, here is the average monthly cost of living in these countries. This includes rent, food, utilities and transport. There's no point in getting into unnecessary debt, and I'd use this time to save as much money as possible before moving out. It's important to have some savings so when you do move out, you aren't always broke, or having to use credit cards all the time. Secondly, I'd invest in the stock market, through a low-cost index tracker fund. I like the S&P 500, as it returns around 7% annually. My favorite things about index tracker funds are that I'm buying into all the companies in the index, so my portfolio is diversified. It's passive investing, so you don't need any particular investment skill or knowledge. A good book on index funds is The Little Book of Common Sense Investing by John C. Bogle. Thirdly, I would set a target to achieve, using the average return on my savings and investments. For example, here is roughly how long it would take to hit $100,000, based on a 7% annual return, by investing these monthly amounts. I've put an investment calculator in the description. Next, I would look to reduce my expenses, so that I could put more into my investments. I would do this by effectively budgeting my money, by understanding my expenses against my income. I've also added a budget calculator in the description for you to use. 5. Keep my savings and spare money in a high-interest savings account. This is so all my money is working to increase my wealth. So those were the 5 things I'd do if I started investing again at 18. I hope you found this video interesting. I'll see you next time.